Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you might be wondering, how do people form a fading gradient in images, especially in church flyers and social media designs? So if you have been wondering about that, then share. Don't worry, I got you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do that. But before we go on to how we can achieve that, I would like you to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to know when we post our next video. So let's dive today. So I'm going to go to my PIXELLAB app now. So here is my PIXELLAB app. I'll click on it. So once I click on it, this is the interface we're going to get. Then even if you don't have this interface, what you're going to do is to click on here. Shift your PIXELLAB app, shift to the extreme and click on this end one. Do you get? So to dive into what we have today, we are going to click on this plus icon now. So we click on the plus icon, we go to from gallery, and we are going to import the image that we are going to use. So this is the image that we are going to use. Well, make sure you remove the background. This is the image. I import it. I click on this tracker icon, and it automatically comes into my PIXELLAB canvas. So you don't have to just rush. So I'm going to increase the end from here. So I'll increase it a little bit, shift it with my hand to the middle. Then what I'm going to do now is to come down here, click on this tool, then click on copy. So why I duplicated this is that when you duplicate your images or any file that you import into your PIXELLAB app, this is a secret that I'm trying to give you. Nobody will tell you that. So when you duplicate this, the one you duplicated has more quality than the one that you imported. So I've duplicated this. I'll shift it up, then click on the first one and click on delete. Then I'll put my image back to the middle of my canvas. Once this image is here, I'll increase it, put it at the center. So make sure that this image is at the center. I'll move down here and look for centralize, which is this relative position. I'll click it and click on this one, which is centralized. Okay, you see that my image is already centralized. I'll click on this checker icon, which is the good icon. Then I'll move on to this layer icon now. Then click on lock. To click on lock icon. So once I lock my image, I'll highlight this the layer tool and this place, so that I cannot be able to move my image to anywhere. So when you are designing, you can lock something so that it doesn't interfere with your design canvas. So I can't move this. So let's move on to the first step on how we are going to fade this image with the background. Okay, so the first step is to click on this plus icon, then click on shape. Then you see that a block shape appears. You get? Then you move down here, then go to gradient, click on gradient and click on plus. So once you click on plus, this is the interface that will come up. So we have already two gradient box here, but if you want extra, you click on plus and more box appears. So you might be asking, what am I going to use this box for? Shield. I'm going to make it easy for you. So for this box, if you click on this box, you see that this, anyone you click on is small pink has applied. So if you click on this first one now, I'll go to this color tool, which is this one that looks like something is pouring away. I'll click on it. Then I'll choose color from here, or I'll use picker tool to choose color from the image that I've already imported to my PIXELLAB canvas. So what I'm going to do, if I move this circle here, you see that the color is applying to this slide and as well as applying on top of here. So are you seeing it? So if I want to pick color, I can just click OK because I've chosen color. Okay, you see that the color has appeared here. That's how to pick color. So if I want to pick color from the image I've imported, see the process. I'll click on this, click on the color fill icon, go to this tool, this one that looks like a dropper, click on it, then click on the image that I've imported, then move this circle down to the body. If you notice, here now has turned to blue. If I shift it to the body of the lady, here has turned to a brown color. Are you seeing? So I want to pick the blue on her body. Then I'll click the checker icon. You see that the slide has already affected it. Move to that exact color I've chosen. This one I've moved to the exact color I've chosen, and this one also moved to the exact color I've chosen. I'll click OK. You see that blue has come. So this is how you can pick color for your image. Okay, so but I don't want to do any of this. I just want to enlighten you on how this can be done. Okay, so what I'm going to do next now is to, since it's this blue color I want to use to form a gradient effect, I will leave it. Then this one, I'll click on it and click minus to remove that too. Yeah, you see it? I've removed it. I'll also remove another one. Click on it, click on minus. So I just want to use 2 slides for my gradient for this fading effect. Do you get? So I'm going to shift this to the extreme, then click on this one, then go to fill color and shift this to a transparent fading. Okay, I'll shift here, move this, remember, move it to your left, and you see that here is empty and here is also empty, so I click OK. So you see that I form a fading effect. Okay, so I'll use this up here to arrange it on the position I want. So I'll click on the first one, see that it's face this side and here is empty. Click on the second one, face down and here is empty. So I keep on clicking until I get what I want. So none of them give me what I want, so I click on this one. I will now shift. You can move this your ruler, so from the edge, so I shift it, shift this one down, then pull this one down too. So you have to pull down. So this is what I want exactly. I can shift this one too, and shift this to the extreme. So this is what I want. Okay, so are you seeing how I manipulated this? I'll click on OK. So if I click on OK, this is what I have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to expand this from the extreme. Expand. I need to place it under this image so that we can form a fading gradient. Okay, so I've already put it. Okay, but if you notice, there's still some part that is cut out that is still showing. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to duplicate this. So I click on this, click on shaker icon so that place will go off. Then I'll click on copy again. The second one, I'll place it, click on copy again. The third one, click on copy again. The fourth one, click on copy again. So if you notice now, the line is no longer showing. So how do you feel? So if you click on this layer icon, see all the whole shades that you have formed. You get, so you can lock them and continue your design. Maybe you want to add thank God it's Friday. So I'll click on text now, bring it here, go to my pen icon and clean. Then maybe I'll just write TGIF. That's thank God it's Friday. I'll click on OK. So maybe enlarge it. Then come down here. We're not doing design, but I just want to show you something that is very beautiful. So you go to A now and click on this, then go to fonts. So I'll click on fonts and let's wait. Then it brings me to this interface. I'll go to my font. I'll click on, and you want to use Mango Goose. This font is what I want to use. I'll click on this first one. I'll click OK. Then you see that here, see another trick. See that as I chose this, this part is already cut off. The F is cut off. So if you are in this scenario, maybe you are doing any design and this type of thing happens to your design, what you're going to do is to click on it, then come down here, look for padding. So click on padding and you click on this left padding to move this image from the left, then click on the right. Are you seeing it? That the F is already here. Then click on shaker icon. The second step on how you can work on this is to, let's undo. Click on it, go to edit and click on this place. Okay, make a more space and press OK. Are you seeing it? So these are the two ways you can work on this if you ever encounter this type of thing when you are making any design. So I'll increase it, then come down here and choose white and click on shaker icon. So I see that this design is already giving thank God it's Friday vibe. Okay, so you can come here and add your logo and the rest. So let's move on to the second step. So I'm going to delete this Or let's say, let me just close these things I don't want to use. So I'll just click on this eye that looks like a cross. So I to remove the ones I don't want. Okay, so we still have this. Okay, so the second way to form a fading gradient. If you're enjoying this video, before we continue, like, share, and comment. So moving on to the second step. So what you're going to do now is to move to the plus icon, click on shape, come here, go to this arrow that is facing down, click on it, then click on this circle now. I'll click on circle. So circle has appeared. I'll move down. Make sure you move down here. Then come to opacity. Move the opacity to your left until it is 0. Then move down again. You see stroke, move your stroke to the extreme to 60. So you see what you have now. Then move down again. You click on blur radius, shift it to the extreme to 25. Are you see what we have now? So you might be asking yourself, what are you going to do next? I want you to look at where I'm highlighting the end of this. So I have to make it smaller till this space. I'm no longer seeing this space. So I'll move it. I see what I'm doing. You move until there is no space. I'll click on shaker icon. Then I'll expand this. Are you seeing there is no space on the center? So I'll just shift it like this. Expand it from here. Or expand from different ends. You get? So expand from here, expand from here, or expand from here. So once I put it here, I'll go down here to this tool and look for color. So go to color, enable it, and let me choose blue, because let me choose the blue in the body. So remember what we did before. So it's on color, not on gradient. So I'll click on color, go to plus icon, then go to this picker tool, then go to the image, click on it, select, move this, select the color and click on shaker icon, then click on OK. Then you see that this thing has turned to blue. I'll click on this checker icon too. So what am I going to do for this side? I'll have to duplicate this. I move down, press copy. So I've already duplicated, I move it here. Wow. So what are you saying? So are you seeing that we have already formed another grading effect? So let's go and highlight that Thank God It's Friday. So I can just come and lock these two place. I'll highlight Thank God It's Friday. Then is under this text. So what am I going to do? I need to bring it up. So I'll click here and click on this pen icon and click to the front. So if you watched to the end, thank God for you. So if you notice that in this video we have shared different ways you can fade gradients, and not only that, we have learned some tricks on PIXELLAB. So if you enjoyed this video, stay glued to this channel. We have more sweet and juicy contents coming to this channel. Thank you. Bye.